Hello viewers, welcome back to Shammedia, and this is Zaka Arishamaki. And today I'd like to show you how you can be able to configure your sound inside OBS, right? Um, what I want us to do today is to fix our sound, right? So let's get down to the business of today. First of all you need to do is to connect your input, right? So if you can check my input now, I'm having a USB audio device, which is my sound card. Is actually connected to the system, right? So now that it's connected, you can see this is my sound and how the output and the input comes in, right? So now imagine you want to do sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, mic one, sound check, mic one. So you this is my input, right? Let me click on my input. So this is your output. So you see, not necessary, right? This is output S. So you connect your speaker. This is also my sound card because I'm using USB to do this. Okay, now so what do I need to do now? This is where my sounds is. You click on this three dot line and then you click filter. So this is how I was able to arrange my sound, right? I've arranged everything here now. So how do I do this? You come into this place and you click on this plus sign. So you see everything about sound is here. So I've added my gain one, my 3D band equalizer, and then my compressor, my nose sorry, noise suppression, and then I have my uh, extender here. Then what I want to add now is the upper word um upper word compressor. So this is how sound works, right? So now let's start from the gain, right? So the gain is actually the volume of your sound. So look at it now. One, two. So this actually removes sound from your input. It removes sounds from your input. It removes sounds from input. Okay. So it removes sounds from input. It removes sounds from input, and then uh like now when I say hi, hi, hello, hi, hello. You can see that I'm out of like the audio output is already out of this signal. So when you increase it, so you can hear noise from this particular video. So you can see now, so you can hear noise and stuff like that. So what you need to do is to be able to balance your. So let me put it around 5. So my gain is 5. So this gain now you can be able to is actually the pit, like the larger the um, podium or your church is, right? So it depends on the larger your church is, so you can be able to increase. But if you have a small church, I think this should be okay. So now that my gain is set, depend on how your pastor handles the mic. If takes the mic closer to his mouth, then you reduce it. But if the mic is far away, then you increase it. Okay. So this is a distant, like this is a distant mic. Okay. So if the mic is closer to his mouth, so I bring it closer. You say now 1, 2. So it's closer to my mouth. So if it's too close, you reduce it 1, 2. So you can still hear me, right? Now this is number one. Number two, let's go down to equalizer. So equalizer now, let's bring this down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Aside from the gain, one of the things that controls your sound is the equalizer, right? So you see now I'm out of sound. I'm out of sound. So first of all, I need to bring my high, hello, 1, 2. 1 2 1 2 sound check. So see, then 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So you can see my sound is back. So this is actually the center. So this lower uh layer, this one's main when the mic is far away from the mouth, right? So if it's far away, once you increase it, you see 1 2. So you can drop your hand down and then you increase it. It's going to give you what you want. 1 2 1 2. So see the mic is far. So when you bring it closer to your mouth, you see it's going to be very deep. So you reduce it. 1 2. Hallelujah. You see. So this middle one is in charge of deep voice. So once the voice is too light, you want to work on the voice, you can just 1 2 hallelujah. Understand? So person that has a thick voice, what do you need to do is to reduce it, right? So you 1 2 1 2 1 2 hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. So see this one. This one is to lighten the voice. Okay, it's to lighten the voice. 1 2 hallelujah. This one most of the time you use for a lady's voice. Hallelujah. You get 1 2. But once to deepen the voice is to increase this one. 1 2. Okay. So this is about equalizer. Compressor. So you compress your sound, right? You compress your sound. You don't want your sound to be too shouty, especially your gain. So you see now 1 2. So see, aside from adding your gain from outside, you can also add your gain. This is the output gain. Okay, what you want to be hearing from your earpiece or headset. So you see now. So you can increase it 1 2 1 2 1 2, depending on what you can hear. Okay, so you see this attack, you can leave it like this. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So just leave it like this. Leave it like this. So threshold has to do with level. Understand the level of what you want to compress. 1 2. So you see 1 2. Your sound is off. 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it works in line with the gain. Okay, what you want to hear. So you can make it 15. You can make it minus. So you see now this is you get 40. So your what? This is more. So you have to take note of the minus sign. So you see 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hallelujah. So see now. So that's it. Then we move to noise suppression. So we'll talk about noise. You don't want to hear anything outside what you're doing. So see this one. 1 2 1 2. So I just learned about this one now. So see, immediately I turn on this one now, you discover that my audio does not have anything noise again. 1 2. So this work actually perfect for me. So it comes with OBS 31 version. So once you download it, you're going to see this one's coming from your CPU. It reduces noise, like it removes noise. It works perfectly fine, like you get. So that is about noise suppression. The extender, it also works the same thing with your compressor. You understand? They're the same thing. You can just come here and increase your gain. Hallelujah. 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 Oh, you get. So you see now. So let's go down to this upper compressor. It's still the same thing, right? So there's just few things you need to change here: the threshold and the gain. So you don't need to do anything much. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. But you have to take note because once it's coming from your mixer, it's going to be very high. So you have to take note in order to reduce everything here, right? So that it shouldn't be too loud and make your audio look very bad. Okay. So now let's try it now. See, you are Yahweh. You are. If you're not hearing something, if you're not hearing the song, what you need to do is just to increase. You are Yahweh, you are Yahweh. So you get to see the difference now. After arranging your equalizer, and you can come to your gain again, and then you increase it to bring out more output. You get to you're boosting your input. So you see, you are Yahweh. So if I bring my mic closer, you see that the voice is changing. So if I take it far, you are Yahweh, you are Yahweh. So you can sense the difference, right? You are Yahweh, you are Yahweh. So can you see now? So it all lies around this side. So see now, no voice. There's voice, but just I reduce it. So you see the higher. So can you hear noise? So you don't want to get noise from your audio. It's going to look bad. Okay, so you have to make sure you learn to say hello. So this is perfectly fine. 10 is perfectly fine, right? One, two, three, four, five, six. How does that sound? So you can see that you have the best audio ever. Okay. Okay, let's see we have anything to add. Nothing. So this is actually a new OBS, and I can see plugins here just for you to head down and download your plugins. If I have plugin, I'll just go ahead and download plugins and then import it. Plugins can also help you achieve what you want to get, right? So you see, get noise. I don't know. This has to do with noise. Get this has to do with noise, and also, oh, we don't need it. It's not. I don't need it. Right. Okay. That's all about it. But first of all, you have to know how to import your audio, right? Try, like I earlier said, here's mine. So you have to come here and then select your input. Okay. So here's my input. I've selected it. So that's it. So you can see that my input is coming out. So if so, you have to take note when somebody say hallelujah, you can see it showing red. It's very bad. That means your sound is too loud. One, two, hallelujah. So this also helps you to control your volume. Hallelujah. So this is okay. Okay. So if you're live streaming and your viewers cannot hear you, so what you need to do is to come and increase this because you're done. One, two, hallelujah. This is actually perfect fine because if you increase this too loud, and when they say in Jesus, so once you see this red, it means that your audio is too loud. Okay, so you learn how to bring it to -20. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Right. So see, that's all about video today. Thank you very much. I love you all. See you next time. I remember myself, Zaka Shamaki. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Help your brother. Thank you.